Did you know your brain can mistake your very first motorcycle ride for a life-threatening situation? That's why your heart starts beating faster, your palms become sweaty, and even riding at just 20 kilometers per hour feels incredibly fast. It may seem like fear, but it's actually your brain doing exactly what it was designed to do, protecting you from the unknown. The moment you sit on a motorcycle for the first time, your brain switches into survival mode. Every sound feels louder, every vibration feels stronger, and every small movement grabs your attention. Since your brain has no previous riding experience to rely on, it treats the entire situation as a potential danger. As you start moving, your body releases adrenaline. This natural stress hormone sharpens your senses, but it also makes your muscles tense. That's why beginners often grip the handlebars too tightly, keep their shoulders stiff, and struggle to make smooth movements. The motorcycle isn't difficult to control. Your brain is simply trying to stay safe. Another fascinating psychological effect is called tunnel vision. Instead of seeing the entire road, first-time riders often focus on a single object, such as a parked car, a curb, or a pothole. Ironically, the more you stare at that obstacle, the more likely you are to steer toward it. Experienced riders learn to look where they want to go, allowing their brain and body to naturally follow that direction. Your mind is also processing too many things at once. You're thinking about the throttle, the brakes, the clutch, your balance, traffic, road signs, and whether you're making mistakes. This mental overload slows your reactions and makes simple actions feel much more complicated than they really are. But something amazing begins to happen after a few rides. Your brain starts recognizing patterns. It realizes that riding isn't as dangerous as it first believed. The fear slowly fades, your muscles develop memory, and actions that once required complex concentration become automatic. You stop overthinking every movement and begin enjoying the ride. This is why every confident rider you see today was once a nervous beginner. The difference isn't talent, it's experience. Their brains adapted through practice just as yours will. So if your first motorcycle ride feels scary, don't let that discourage you. Fear is not a sign that you can't ride. It's simply your brain protecting you while it learns something new. Keep practicing safely, stay patient, and one day you'll look back and smile at how far you've come.